Hello, so the project is ready and here are the scripts. So this is the main script, the download handler. So the current URL is this and the main controller file is here. So I'll show you. So first we'll take the scenario of when the internet is not there. So currently there is no internet. So when I play this, so you have no internet connected to connect to the internet. So if I retry, it will not work, and if it's quit, then the app will be quit. So I'll connect to the internet, and once it's connected I can retry it and it will start loading. So I can also, there's also a button to delete cache. So if I delete the cache, it will be downloaded. It was previously loading the cached asset bundle. So now the asset bundle has to be downloaded because the cache has been deleted. So it will tell us, it will give us the hint the file has been updated, you need to download it, otherwise you will not able to proceed this. So when I'll hit download, so you can see this download if you are able to see. Okay, so the scene is being loaded. So this is without and with internet. So now I'll update the asset and show you. So currently the asset is here and there's a.dlc, the DLC file, the main asset bundle file. So here is the CRC number. So we have to use the CRC number in the main controller file. So I'll open this folder asset bundle. It's already been I already opened it. So this is the DLC file and this is the text file. So basically what I have to do is just copy this CRC number and paste it into the text file. So I'll first update the asset. So the scene is this one, a.dlc. So I'll take this cube and just duplicate it so that the asset bundle will get updated. So this is only the updated part, and here is the button. From asset you have to build asset bundle so that it will be recreated. So it's now creating the asset bundle. So it's now updating the asset bundle, and so the CRC number will now change. So the update is finished now and we can see it by clicking. So it takes some time to get updated, so we have to wait until it changes, because currently the asset bundle text file is like this: a.dlc, the name of the DLC, the CRC number and the total file size. So we have to wait it until it gets updated. So you can see it has been changed. You can also see it here. So yeah, you can see it, the number is not same. See this number and this number. So what I'll do is I'll copy this CRC. I copied it and I'll put it in the .txt. So I just have to replace this. I'll paste it here and then save it. Okay, so now I'll go to my server. So basically I have to update both these things. So this is the server and this is the location, the site name and asset B, as you can see here. The site name the site name and asset B, and in that this is the controller file, that the asset bundle.txt, so which we have it here. So I have to update both these files as the DLC has been updated. So I'll select the file, I'll take the a.dlc, which is the asset bundle updated, and it will ask me to overwrite and the text file. This is the text file. I'll open it, and yes, so both these things have been updated now on the server, and now I have to play this. So as now, for now it has been cached, the previous one, but it will ask again that the thing has been updated and you need to download it to continue. So I'll just hit the play button. Okay, you can see it, the file has been updated, you need to download it, size 3 MB. So I can download it. So the download will begin, and it's the new file. You can see this is the asset bundle view, not the normal build. You can see the build, so only one thing is there, that means this is from the asset bundle. And again, if I try to play it, it will directly load because it is cached, and also the internet is there, so that is it knows that the CRC is matching, otherwise it will tell to connect to the internet. So that's it. If there's some problem, you can ask me.